Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button right now and become part of the amazing family today. Also remember to click on that bell and turn on your notifications so you would be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make a very simple marinade I use to season my meat. So let's not waste time, let's go over the ingredients and get right into it. I'm making a ginger-based marinade, so I have some organic ginger which I have chopped into chunks. I've got some green chilies, half of a Scotch bonnet, some sprigs of fresh rosemary, but you can use any herbs that you prefer. I have some garlic, lots of them. I have 2 red onions and 2 whites. I've got some spring onions and a couple of spices. But as always, you can see the description box for all the ingredients with the correct measurements. I'll be using some cloves, aniseed, calabash nutmeg, and star anise. To start the marinade, I'm lightly going to toast my calabash nutmeg, my aniseed, and my coriander seeds, also known as cilantro seeds. Toasting your spices will help release the oils in them and make them more fragrant and present in your marinade. But this step is optional. You can also skip it and your marinade will still be fine. Toast your spices in a dry pan on medium-low heat, and you want to keep moving them around in your pan so they don't burn. When you start to smell your spices, you know they are done, and this shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Now transfer your spices into another bowl and allow it to cool down completely before we move on with the next step. If you leave it in your pan, the heat in the pan is still going to cook the spices furthermore and they might still burn. And when that happens, it's not going to taste nice. So be sure to keep it cool. Now that our spices are completely cooled down, we are going to continue with the blending of our ingredients. To avoid adding a lot of water, I'm going to add my onions, my garlic, and my peppers first because they contain most of the moisture. What you don't want to do is to add your ginger first because then you might have to add more water to help the blade of your blender spin. We are looking for a very thick paste, so all you want to do is to add just enough water to help everything blend very smooth. I finally add my ginger, my rosemary, my cloves, star anise, and the rest of the toasted spices which are now completely cooled down. I add just enough water, like I said, and blend until a very thick and smooth paste is formed. Allow your blender to blend for a couple of minutes until your mixture becomes very smooth and all the spices are well broken down. Turn off your blender and pour the mixture into a clean and sterilized jar, an airtight container, and store it in your fridge for about 4 to 6 weeks. I'm going to freeze the remaining marinade, but to do that, I first pour it into a Ziploc bag so it will be easier for me to transfer it into my ice cube containers. And I really love these ice cube containers because they come with a lid, so it is perfect to freeze things like this. And if you are wondering, I got these from the Blocker and they are very inexpensive. I'm going to pop this in my freezer and freeze it until they become solid and then transfer them into my Ziploc bag. And this I'm going to store in my fridge so I can use it anytime I need to cook my meat, make soup or stews without any fuss. Look at how thick the paste is. That is how it needs to be, not watery. I'm going to cover it with just about a tablespoon of oil to act as a preservative and then keep it in my fridge. So this is about 4 to 6 hours later and my cubes are frozen solid, and so I'm going to take them out of the ice cube containers and then put them in my Ziploc bag. Don't forget to label it after putting it in your Ziploc bag so that each time you pick it up you know what it is. Just look at that beautiful cube right there. It is going to make your soups and your stews taste amazing. If you enjoyed watching this video or liked the recipe, kindly give me a thumbs up, a comment, and share this with your friends and family and help me grow my channel. And if you have already done that, I want to say a very big thank you to you. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, make this marinade with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!